Welcome to Easy English Daily for Newbie. Let's begin together. Driving down the street.
Feeling good? Yeah, Leo will love the movie. I already bought 2 tickets. Whoa!
Why are we stopping? Look at that. So many cars. It is 5:30 p.m. Where is he?
Maybe he is buying popcorn.
Or maybe he is parking the car.
Perfect spot!
I will wait a little more. Oh, my tummy is growling. I am so hungry. This is strange. Dad is never late. Hey, Leo, do you want to play football today? Did he forget me?
No, sweetie, we would never forget you.
That's right. Ready for school? Come on, move, please! Hey, blue car! Don't cut in line!
Oh no, it is a huge traffic jam. We are completely stuck.
Hang in there, Leo.
We'll get home soon.
What? It is 5:45 p.m. The movie starts at 6 p.m.
Oh no, we're going to be late. Let's hurry.
Leo is waiting for me. He must be scared. I need to call Grace. Oh no, low battery. Please don't die. Where is my charger? Is it in the glove box?
It's empty, Dad.
No, I left it at the office. My phone is dead. This is a disaster.
Sorry, Tom. I cannot play today.
It is too late. So, no movie today.
Dad, where are you? It is getting dark and cold.
Leo, is that you? Why are you still here?
Hello, Mr. Guard. My parents are not here yet. I am worried.
Don't worry. Here, use my phone. Call your parents.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello. Please answer, Dad. It went to voicemail.
His phone is turned off.
Oh dear, it's completely off.
What? No way!
Calling Mom.
Try calling your mom.
Mom is not answering either.
Try your dad then.
Maybe she is driving. Why are you busy? Yes, my dad is coming to pick me up. We will go to the cinema. Wow, that sounds fun. Okay, goodbye, Tom. Goodbye, Leo. Goodbye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. It is 5 p.m. Dad is always on time. I am so excited to see the new movie. It is about a super robot.
Maybe there is a big traffic jam. They will be here soon.
Look, a yellow taxi.
Maybe there is a big traffic jam. They will be here soon.
Wait, Mom taught me how to take a taxi.
First, check for the taxi sign, then tell the driver your address.
Mr. Guard, can I borrow your phone to call your dad again?
Sure, here you go.
No, I want to send a text message. It is faster. Mom, Dad, don't worry. I am taking a taxi home. Sent. Now they know.
Smart boy. Need a ride? Okay, let's stop that taxi.
Taxi!
Taxi! Taxi! Taxi!
Taxi!
Be careful, Leo. Get home safe. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Ready to go, buddy? Good evening, young man.
Where are your parents? Good evening. I am going home alone today.
Oh, you are very brave. Do your parents know you are in a taxi?
Yes, I already sent them a message.
Good job, little boy. Excellent. You fastened your seatbelt.
Thank you. My mom says, safety first. Please take me to 123 Gray Street, District 1. Do you know the way?
Yes, I know it well. 123 Gray Street. Is it near the big park? Yes, just past the park entrance.
It's near the park. Yes, go past the park and turn left at the bakery.
Got it, kiddo. Turning left. Okay, let's go.
Mr. Driver, why are there so many red lights?
To keep everyone safe, Leo.
That's right.
It is rush hour, my boy. Everyone is going home from work just like you.
Wow, so many cars. My dad is driving too. Maybe he is stuck in this mess. In a family, we share the work.
Helping each other makes us happy.
See you next time. Bye-bye.